Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring power and a quick backup. It prevents interruptions and lost prefs. Now, unlock the Infinix and Open settings, then go to System or Additional settings depending on your model. Once there, look for Navigation bar or gesture settings. This is where the toggle lives. If you don't see it, search within Settings for Navigation. That saves time. You're beginning the actual change now, and these steps prepare the device so the switch is clean and reversible. You'll now pick the navigation mode, buttons or gestures. Tap the option to switch. The phone explains differences, which helps you decide. Once selected, make sure to customize order, size, or gesture sensitivity if the UI offers those controls. That's why you may see extra submenus. After adjusting, apply or save changes and immediately test home, back, and recent apps to confirm behavior. If behavior is odd, try toggling modes once more to force the system to reload the UI. Finish by confirming the bar or gestures work in multiple apps. Walk through Home, Recents, and an app with full-screen video so you see edge behavior. If the bar still won't show, restart the phone. Simple reboots often resolve UI crashes. If restart fails, update system software or reset only the navigation settings to restore defaults. And if nothing fixes it, back up data and consider a factory reset as a last resort. You do this because corrupted settings sometimes require a full refresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.